The Masterbuilt 800? The Kamado Joe or Char-Broil? Perhaps the Weber Performer Deluxe or the PK Grills PK300? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 charcoal grills available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is the best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best charcoal grills. The 5th product on this list is the Char-Broil Kettleman. When it comes to grilling, nothing beats cooking on charcoal. And if you're in search of the ultimate grilling experience, look no further than the Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman grill. This grill offers a plethora of features that will take your grilling game to new heights. First and foremost, the 22.5-inch diameter cooking grate is perfect for preparing mouth-watering meals for a large group. Its cleverly designed porcelain coating prevents any food from falling through while still allowing that signature smoky flavor to shine through. No more burnt food due to pesky charcoal flames. Plus, the design is specifically engineered to prevent flare-ups, ensuring a safe and enjoyable grilling experience. But that's not all. This grill is equipped with large openings all around its body, guaranteeing ample oxygen supply for optimal heat distribution. The top vents provide easy control over airflow and temperature, allowing you to fine-tune your grilling perfection. Whether you need to let hot air out or keep warm air in, this grill has got you covered. The true star of the show is the TRU-Infrared technology. It delivers consistent, uniform heat that ensures your meat is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Say goodbye to overcooked and undercooked meals. This innovative technology instantly evaporates any meat drippings, resulting in efficient searing and fewer flare-ups. And when it's time to clean up, the convenient ashtray makes ash disposal a breeze. It's large enough to handle the remnants of multiple grilling sessions and easily removable for hassle-free cleaning. With the Char-Broiled TRU-Infrared Kettleman grill, you'll experience grilling like never before. Get ready to impress your family and friends with delicious, evenly cooked meals that will have them coming back for seconds. It's time to evaluate your grilling game with this exceptional grill. Its pros are, it has a hinged lid with a mounted temperature gauge for ease of operation and temperature monitoring. It comes with a removable ash bowl for simple cleanup, and it has a shelf fitted at the bottom where items such as utensils can be kept. However, the TRU-Infrared system requires frequent cleaning as it is easily clogged. If you're looking for an all-around great charcoal grill with a few extra perks, the Char-Broil Kettleman grill should be your go-to choice. Up next in 4th place is the PK Grills PK300. Grilling and smoking are 2 distinct cooking methods, each with its own unique characteristics. If you're an adventurous cook who loves to explore different styles, then the PK Grill and Smoker is a must-have. This charcoal grill is meticulously designed to cater to all your grilling and smoking needs. One standout feature of this grill is its hinged cover, which can be easily opened or completely removed. When fully closed, the lid forms a tight seal that is essential for successful smoking. And if you need to add or adjust coals during the cooking process, the hinged charcoal grate makes it incredibly simple. Crafted from durable cast aluminum, this grill offers exceptional heat conduction. Its distinctive shape and 4-point venting system make it ideal for both grilling and smoking a wide range of dishes. With 315 square inches of cooking surface, you'll have ample space to cook an entire turkey. Plus, the spacious work shelf provides convenient preparation space. And here's a bonus, the grill can be easily detached from its base by folding down the work shelf, making it highly portable for on-the-go grilling adventures. But that's not all. This outstanding charcoal barbecue comes with extra long vent handles, a probe thermometer aperture, and adjustable rubber feet for uneven terrain. The lid fits even tighter compared to the original version, ensuring maximum flavor retention. Every detail has been carefully considered to enhance your grilling and smoking experience. With the PK Grill and Smoker, you have the versatility to explore different cooking methods and unleash your culinary creativity. Whether you're grilling steaks for a summer barbecue or smoking a succulent rack of ribs, this grill excels in every aspect. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with this exceptional grill that offers both functionality and convenience. Its pros are, it comes in a new Dura-Hinge design, offering more stability. It offers excellent heat retention and control, and its surface area is designed specifically for 2-zone cooking. However, it doesn't have a built-in thermometer. The PK Grills PK300 is a great choice if you're looking to enjoy your burgers, brisket, ribs, and steak at your next family gathering. It's a luxe option for those looking to up their grilling game. Still haven't found a charcoal grill that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Kamado Joe Kettle Joe. This next unit is an attention-grabbing charcoal barbecue grill that stands out with its vibrant vermilion red appearance. Not only does it catch your eye, but it also offers ample cooking space for your culinary creations. With clear and detailed instructions, assembling this grill is a breeze, allowing you to start using it right out of the box. Its generous 22-inch surface provides a total of 363 square inches, making it the perfect choice for preparing delicious meals for large family gatherings. This barbecue boasts a ceramic firebox that allows for longer cooking durations while maximizing charcoal efficiency. What sets it apart is the adjustable hinge, which enables you to keep the lid attached without having to remove the handle. It's incredibly user-friendly as well. Simply adjust the hinge to its highest setting and insert the SI Roller hyperbolic smoke chamber to smoke at temperatures up to 500 degrees. For grilling at temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, just remove the smoke chamber and lower the hinge. But that's not all. The Kettle Joe also features convenient foldable side shelves that expand your prep surface during use and fold up neatly for effortless storage when not in use. The inclusion of an ash drawer allows for quick and easy ash cleanup without the need to disassemble the internal components. And to top it off, this charcoal grill comes with a 4-legged cart equipped with 2 locking casters for convenient transportation. With its striking appearance, spacious cooking area, and user-friendly design, it is an excellent choice for any grilling enthusiast. Its pros are, it comes with user-friendly instructions, making it easy to assemble and use. It has a 2-tier divider so you can cook different foods at various temperatures all at once. And it has a hinged lid that allows you to keep the lid attached while lifting. However, it sits too low to the ground, which makes it a little uncomfortable to use. The Kamado Joe Kettle Joe is a real winner if you're hoping to entertain or cook and smoke large joints of meat for gatherings. It would also make a fantastic statement piece on a patio or deck. The second product on this list is the Weber Performance Deluxe. Weber, a leading brand in charcoal barbecues, offers the Performer Deluxe 22-inch charcoal barbecue, a premium option worth considering. This model is packed with practical features that any grilling enthusiast would appreciate. We particularly like the built-in lid thermometer, which provides you with real-time information about the inside temperature of your grill, ensuring precise heat control. With its 363 square inches of cooking area, this barbecue follows the classic Weber kettle grill design, featuring a 22-inch grate. This means you can easily cook enough food to satisfy a group of 6 people or grill up to 13 burgers simultaneously. Moreover, the cleaning system allows you to effortlessly dispose of charcoal ash and debris by simply swiping them into a spacious, removable ash catcher. In terms of convenience, the Performer Deluxe includes an electrical touch-and-go gas ignition system that lets you ignite the charcoal with the push of a button. No matches or charcoal starters are required. By firing up the gas burner beneath the charcoal briquettes with the flip of a switch, you can avoid getting your hands dirty. Once the coals are hot, maintaining a consistent temperature range is a cinch thanks to the easily adjustable and correctly positioned dampers. You can effortlessly keep the temperature within a 10-degree range for extended periods, which is ideal for smoking a slab of baby back ribs. Plus, there are no sudden temperature fluctuations when opening or closing the lid. Adding charcoal is a breeze too, thanks to the circular central opening in the plated steel grate. The Weber combines practicality and performance to enhance your grilling experience. With its thoughtful features and user-friendly design, you'll create unforgettable meals every summer. Its pros are, it features convenient charcoal storage, making it easier to use. It features a work table that you can use to prep food or keep platters, seasonings, and tools within arm's reach. And it comes with 3D interactive assembly instructions that are available through the free Built app. However, it's pretty big, so you'll have to expect that it will take up a lot of space in your backyard. The Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill excels at multitasking. It combines the best of the charcoal barbecue experience with the convenience and variety of a more expensive gas grill cooking station. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best charcoal grill is the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800. Prepare to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800, the epitome of versatility and performance. Don't let the confusion between grilling and barbecuing dampen your spirits. This powerhouse can handle any culinary challenge you throw its way, from tender pulled pork to sizzling flame-kissed fajitas. While it may resemble other outdoor barbecues at first glance, make no mistake, this unit is in a league of its own. One standout feature is the inclusion of both standard cooking grades and an expansive cast iron griddle, capable of turning any aspiring chef into a culinary maestro. Whether you're in the mood for traditional grilling or crave the delectable delights of a flat-top cooking experience, this grill's got you covered. Powered by a charcoal stack positioned on the right side, you have complete control over the temperature thanks to the intuitive digital display. With a temperature range of 225 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve precision and finesse in your cooking. Plus, this grill not only handles high and low temperatures with equal ease, but it also heats up to its maximum capacity in a blazingly fast 14 minutes. And fear not about wasted fuel. Strategically placed air cutting mechanisms on the charcoal stack ensure efficient combustion and no unnecessary waste. What truly sets the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 apart from the competition is its unparalleled adaptability. On the lower end of the temperature spectrum, it excels at slow and steady smoking, effortlessly infusing flavors into the brisket, hog shoulder, whole birds, and ribs that are guaranteed to melt in your mouth. On the higher end, this grill unleashes a torrent of searing power, ready to char everything from succulent ribeye steaks to an array of vegetables and flatbreads. This workhorse of a grill is a testament to its exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design. It not only delivers remarkable results, but also boasts straightforward maintenance and a delightful user experience. Don't settle for mediocrity when it comes to your outdoor cooking adventures. With this unit, you can experience the pinnacle of charcoal grilling and get ready to ignite your passion for outdoor cooking like never before. Its pros are, it reaches 225 degrees Fahrenheit in 8 minutes, 450 Fahrenheit in 10 minutes, or 700 degrees Fahrenheit in 14 minutes. It includes a flat-top griddle insert and cast iron grill grates with 800 total square inches of cooking area. It features the digital fan, which minimizes heat fluctuations and maintains temperature. And it has a built-in temperature gauge and meat probe thermometer for perfect results every time. However, the setup might be a little tricky to master, as the instructions can be a bit confusing, but it should be a no-brainer once you get the hang of using it. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 is the first widely available charcoal-fueled gravity-fed cooking system with grill, griddle, and smoking capabilities. That makes it highly recommended for any outdoor cook. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.